Oh, look at that.
On the ground. Ladies, hey, start going on the ground. Yeah.
Hey, back up just a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
One of the most beautiful tornadoes I believe I've ever seen.
That's one of the biggest tornadoes I've ever seen.
Oh, look at that. It's massive.
That is EF3 at least.
I'd say EF4.
Get in front of me, man. I ain't gonna be worried about it.
I don't understand why nobody's reporting on the radio. That's on the ground. Get some of them.
No, we haven't figured it out yet.
There's a tornado.
Tornado on the ground.
There's a huge
Tornado on the ground. Is it tornado?
There's a tornado.
Get off the road up here. Tornado.
What a lord.
People don't even see that.
Yeah, she was oblivious.
Yeah. That's crossing right. See, it's almost 40. That's all right. It's a grand.
Yeah, I believe that's the break.
That's all debris.
That's about where the grand's at, isn't it? About where the grand's at. Oh, you're not?
No, this is a long track mile.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go.
Thank you. Wow. I just filled my SD card. Yes.